Ever wonder why your phone dies so fast? Or how electric cars run for hundreds of miles? The secret lies in electrochemistry, the science behind every battery you use. Stick around because today, I'll reveal how it works and a trick to never forget electrochemical cells again. First, let's define electrochemistry. Well, it is a branch of chemistry in which the conversion of electrical energy into chemical energy or vice versa occurs. This uses electrochemical cells in which electrolysis takes place. Let's see the types of electrochemical cells. The first is the electrolytic cell, and second is the galvanic cell. In electrolysis, electrical energy is converted to chemical energy, as in galvanic, and chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. It is non-spontaneous reaction. Well, it is a spontaneous reaction, which ultimately drives the oxidation-reduction reactions. Let's see the difference between oxidation and reduction first. Various definitions for this terminology. First, the loss of an electron is oxidation and the gain of an electron is reduction. Second is the addition of oxygen and the loss of oxygen. Third is loss of hydrogen and gain of hydrogen. In terms of oxidation, an increase is oxidation and a decrease is reduction. Look at the example on the screen in which the zinc and copper reaction is shown. As you can see, zinc is oxidized to Zn2+, and copper ions are reduced to copper. Many students often confuse whether oxidation is a loss or gain, or vice versa. I came up with a trick, which is oil-rig. Oil means oxidation is loss, while rig means reduction is gain. Write it down as you need this in your exam. In an electrolytic cell, oxidation at the anode and reduction at the cathode happen. The same applies to a Voltaic cell, but their charges are different. You can remember this with this trick: an-ox and cat-red. The anode is the oxidation, cathode is reduction. Let's discuss some of its applications. Car batteries like in Tesla, fuel cells, supercapacitors, electroplating, and much more. If you find this video useful, leave a like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.